Hello friends, now we start our second chapter network theorem in current electricity. Part first. In this part first we see current, what is meant by current, voltage, AC and DC sources. What is an electric current? An electric current is a flow of microscopic particles called electrons flowing through wires and components. An electric current is a flow of microscopic particles called electrons. These microscopic particles are called electrons flowing through wires and components like this. They are flowing from negative to positive like this. In which electron does the current flow? In which direction does the current flow? From negative terminal to the positive terminal of a cell. Here if we say that here each time the electrons are flowing from negative to positive like this, the electrons are moving like this. So this is the direction of electron flow or current. So like this, here we say that direct current. Now this current is flowing like this. So when a current flows, charge are moving. Measuring current. How we measure the current? Electric current is measured in amperes A using an ammeter connected in series in the circuit. So this is one type of ammeter. DC ammeter is there. With the help of this DC ammeter we can easily measure the current flowing through the circuit, and it is in amperes. Current, we say that it is in amperes. Measuring voltage. An electric push which the cell gives to the current is called voltage. It measured in volts or in on a voltmeter. This is voltmeter. With the help of this voltmeter we can measure the voltage. Different cell produces different voltages. The bigger the voltage supplied by the cell, the bigger the current. Unlike an ammeter, a voltmeter is connected across the components. Scientists usually use the term potential difference PD when they talk about voltage, because it is the difference between two terminals of potential, therefore it is known as PD, potential difference. Current, the continuous movement of free electron through the conductor of a circuit is called current. Voltage, the force motivating electron to flow in a circuit called voltage. In electrostatic we have studied the science related to charges at rest, that is static charges. Here we will study the science of moving charges in a conductor. Motion of charges is set up in a conductor if an electric field is applied across it. When a potential difference PD or a voltage is applied to a conductor by using a DC battery, the electric field is set up across it. This electric field exerts a force which set a flow of charge in the conductor. The flow of charges constitute an electric current. There are dash kind of charges are called. There are two kinds of charges called. To make object positively charged, to make an object positively charged you need a positive. So these are the fill in the blanks. One by one we say that there are the two kind of charges are there, positive and negative. To make an object positive charge we need remove the negative charges on it. When we remove the negative charges it will become positive. To make an object negative charge, add negative charges. If a substance is neutral, it means that there is negative charges are exactly balanced by the positive charges. There are two type of charges, positive and negative, that is electron. So here again we start. Few problem is there. There are two types of charges, positive and negative charges, that is electron. If a current is due to the flow of positive charge, then its direction taken as sets as a direction of flow of positive charges. If the electric current is due to the flow of negative charge, that is electron, then the conventionally its direction is taken opposite to the direction of flow of negative charge, that is electrons. Thus, an electric circuit serves as a means of energy transfer from the source of the load, resistor, inductors and capacitors with the help of connecting wires. There are two types of electrical energy sources: DC direct current source and AC alternating current source. If a DC source DC battery is connected in series with a conductor as shown in figure, then set up a electric field remain only in one direction. It is known as DC or direct current. Due to this current flow only in one direction, type of current is known as direct current DC. If a AC source is connected in series with a conductor, a setup of electric field is periodically reversed. Due to this, the direction of current is also periodically reversed. This type of current is known as alternating current AC. So like this, here it is shown that the direct current, it is flowing in one direction, and this is alternating current, it is moving in left to right, to left. Means if we say that right, it is positive; if we consider it is left, it is negative. So positive to negative, like this. The alternating current is flowing both direction, and direct current, it is flowing in only one direction. The electrons moving through a metal wire, so they are moving like this. Okay, thank you.